Okay, on occasion you'll come to two ends where you need to splice two strands together. I'm going to show you an option utilizing crimping sleeves. As I said, we're going to utilize our nickel press crimping sleeve to do this. And for a splice, when you're joining two pieces of wire together, we recommend that you use 3 crimping sleeves. Taking our tape measure, let's measure back about 1.5 inches. On each side. Now we've got our 2 strands right here exposed out. Let's grab our 3 crimping sleeves. Try to clean that dirt off of there if you get stuck it down in the ground. 1, 2, and 3. And you'll notice that in on there, the first wire has gone through one side of that. The opposing wire coming to it's going to go into the opposite side. We're going to crimp those right together. Making sure that it's in your crimping tool properly. Close right down on it. Start at one end, work your way back to the opposite side. All crimped down. It's all together. Good connection right there.